Hi, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. I'm coming to you today with a flip-through video of a project I did for Torgy's Arts and Creative Journals. She is on YouTube. She also has an Etsy shop, and I will post all that information in the description of this video. This is a long overdue design team project that I got the assignment for in the spring, late spring, and I just finally got it done. Summers are really hectic for me. You may have noticed that my YouTube channel, I haven't been very active because I get super busy in the summer with work, and it continues to be busy in the fall, but I hope to have more time to craft. So here we go. This is Vintage Dolls, Vintage Gothic Dolls is the name of this digital collection. She makes beautiful digital kits for scrapbooking. Well, I use them for scrapbooking and mini album making. They are meant for junk journals, so I usually have a little bit different take on it than some of the other designers do, but I just want to show you what I've come up with. This is, you can see how beautiful her artwork is. And this is just a tag, kind of a mini album, kind of a junk journal. So let's see as I show you. I can tell you, we can see what you think. All right, so this is the cover. I've used flowers from, I move my camera up just a little bit if I can without making too. Okay, so these are flowers. I don't remember if they're Prima or what designer they are. These are, well, right away I see my little flippy tag on the front did not show. Okay, that was supposed to be on the front. A little charm, bottle cap charm made with one of her images. I did put a little ribbon under there, but you really can't see it. So that's my cover. I'm going to flip that over, and you can see the back side is a nice little journaling page. Got a couple more little tags here. Again, these are all her digital collection, Vintage Gothic Dolls. And those are just blank on the back on those ones. Here's the second page, again with flowers. If I remember to look these up, I will tell you. I think these ones are Prima or Recollections. I am not sure. I can't tell you whose flowers these are. I purchased these from Simply Memories in Medical Lake, Washington at a recent retreat. Can't remember what they are though. So here's page 2, and there's the back side of page 2. You see how beautiful these images are? Just gorgeous. Okay, here's the next one. I thought that image was really fun. And back side again. The second card in that one I did put a back on it. Here's the next page. Now I like how the splash of pink in here totally doesn't really go with the vintage goth look, but look at how good it looks. Again, I added some ribbon and some flowers. And on the back of this one, there is a pocket with a couple of tags in it. And I can just slide in here, flip that over. Okay, here's the next page again, a couple of little tags. This one has a nice, again, more flowers that I got at Simply Memories. Back side on this one has another tag with those bright blue eyes and flowers and butterflies on this. I really like this image. And the next one. Again, 2 more tags made with her images. Oh, 3 more on this one. And these ones do have the back side for journaling. And we're almost done. Here's the second to last page. I would use this probably more as a mini album. Maybe a junk journal. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'll let you know when I do. Again, more flowers. And the very last one has 2 tags. 3 tags, and you can see her fun gothic looking images. And then again, this one has that pink that I like so much. With the pink there, I would love to have added maybe some flocking to make these gloves look velveteen, but I did not have time to do that. More flowers, some ribbon, and there is the back side. It's not quite as chunky as I wanted it to be, but it is still fairly chunky. And that is my mini album, junk journal. I would call this my miniature tag album, made with the Vintage Gothic digital printables from Torgy's Art and Creative Journals. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you aren't already a subscriber of my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also, if you want to see other fun crafty stuff that I do, and some of the things my friends are doing, you can join my Facebook group, and that will also be in the comments or in my link tree. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day.